Hello everyone, this is Ashrita from Truly Nutrition. I'm a consulting nutritionist. I did my master's in applied nutrition and I'm a certified food and spirit practitioner. You can reach me at trulynutrition.edite.clinic. Today's topic is about natural sweetener that is present in every Indian kitchen, that is jaggery. So let us explore different kinds of jaggery and its uses.
Based on the source of jaggery, there are different kinds of jaggery like cane jaggery, palm jaggery, coconut jaggery, and date jaggery. This is palm jaggery. It is extracted from the sap of palm flower. It's also called as neera. This is coconut jaggery. It is also extracted from the coconut flower sap. This is cane jaggery. It is extracted from sugarcane juice. Now let us explore some nutritional facts of jaggery. Jaggery is rich in iron, calcium, zinc, magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin B, potassium. It's a very good blood purifier and it prevents bile disorders and cure jaundice. Jaggery helps to clean lungs, stomach, intestine, esophagus and respiratory tracts. There are few studies which show that jaggery also helps to cure lung cancer and it reduces the dust allergies. That is a reason when people working in cement factories or people working with dust, initially they take some jaggery and then go to work. This prevents any dust allergy, and jaggery helps in better digestion. It also reduces malnutrition. Now let us explore how can we use jaggery in our daily life. Replace sugar in your teas and coffees with jaggery, especially for diabetic people. Instead of using artificial sweeteners, you can use coconut sugar in your teas and coffees. And you can make til laddus or nut chikkis with jaggery. Top your millet roti with ghee and jaggery powder. And to resolve indigestion or having a sweet tooth after food, eat a piece of jaggery with little ghee. Now let us explore a simple recipe with palm jaggery. It's also kid friendly. It is nut butter. Instead of buying Nutellas from the market, you can make it at home. Half cup of cashews, 3 pitted dates, 2 to 3 tablespoons of palm jaggery, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder and a pinch of cinnamon to taste. Soak your nuts prior and then blend all together into a smooth paste to make this nut butter. It is very tasty and you can replace it with Nutella and spread breads or rotis with this nut butter, which is very healthy and tasty. You can also use it to top some fruits, like here I have topped few strawberries with this nut butter.
Let us see how jaggery is different from sugar. Both are sweeteners, but jaggery is a natural sweetener, whereas sugar is the refined form of sugarcane juice. Jaggery is very rich in minerals as it is not exposed to any chemical or mechanical treatment, whereas sugar doesn't have any kind of minerals in them because it undergoes some purification process to get its crystallized form and also to get its color, pure white in color. So, sugar undergoes certain chemical treatments to reach its end product, whereas jaggery doesn't undergo any kind of chemical treatment. So, the minerals and vitamin content in the jaggery is retained within it. So, jaggery is very rich in minerals when compared to sugar. Jaggery is having long chain sucrose in it, so it is slowly digestible when compared to sugar. The glycemic index of jaggery is also low, especially palm jaggery glycemic index is only 35. So, having jaggery in place of sugar is very good. This way, jaggery also differs from sugar in its glycemic index. Jaggery have a fiber called inulin. This acts as prebiotic, and so when you mix jaggery with buttermilk and make a good lassi out of it, it's a very good probiotic drink. The fiber in the jaggery helps as a food for good bacteria in your gut, whereas sugar doesn't have such fiber in it. It's completely lack of fiber and it is only empty calories. This way also jaggery differs from sugar. Now let us see what are the precautions to be taken while eating jaggery, especially for diabetic people. Jaggery and sugar, both of them will rise blood sugar levels in the same way. The jaggery is having more mineral content when compared to sugar. So diabetic people can replace their sugar with jaggery, can replace their sugar confectionaries with jaggery confectionaries. So they only can replace, but the spike of blood sugar levels will be the same. So keep in mind and limit the intake of jaggery for diabetic people. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel Truly Nutrition. Thank you.